Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today we have something special to unbox. A gaming keyboard that is going to take your gaming experience to the next level. This is the Logitech G PRO X TKL RAPID, and today we're going to unbox it and take a look at all its features. In the box, you get the PRO X TKL RAPID, a USB A to C cable, and some user documentation. To connect this keyboard to your computer, plug the USB-C end to your keyboard and the USB-A end to your computer, and you are now ready to start gaming. The PRO X TKL RAPID comes with unique features that will improve your gaming experience. This keyboard uses magnetic analog switches. These switches use magnets to actuate key presses instead of metal contact points found in traditional mechanical switches. One of the highlights of these switches is their ability to register analog input, meaning they can detect how far down a key is pressed or how far a key has been released. This translates to precise control, improved durability, and custom options that can elevate your game. The PRO X TKL RAPID comes equipped with Rapid Trigger, which is a feature that eliminates the need for a fixed reset point. This means the key registers a new press at the desired distance as it starts moving up after the initial press, without needing to travel all the way to the reset point. This can significantly reduce the time it takes to register multiple key presses in a row, making it more responsive. This can be an important feature for gamers who want to improve their responsiveness and accuracy in fast-paced games. With the PRO X TKL RAPID, users can now assign custom actuation points for each key individually, and this can be done through G-Hub. This will allow the players to find a perfect balance between speed and accuracy, and also tune the keyboard to their individual gaming style. And here's a quick tip. For actions that require quick response or movements, a shorter actuation point will provide accurate inputs. But for keys that are used less frequently, or to avoid accidental presses, a longer actuation point will be ideal. Along with Rapid Trigger, features like multi-action full key control add to the list of features that offers more precise controls in any game. With multi-action, the user can use a single key to perform multiple actions based on how far the key is pressed. Players can configure 2 stages of commands per key, which means a single key can fire off 2 macros or actions, which can be programmed or customized via G-Hub. With full key control, you can customize all aspects of this keyboard, including the layout, key mapping, and lighting. This adds an additional layer of customization and flexibility to the user. Apart from these amazing features, the PRO X TKL RAPID is built to last. It comes with double-shot PBT keycaps, which increases the lifespan of your keys. This also offers users a good set of physical controls like a volume roller, dedicated media controls, and a game mode control. Users have the option for software-free customization like changing the actuation point, switching between various profiles, and more with the help of key shortcuts, but we will be covering that in depth in a further video. And finally, you can customize the PRO X TKL RAPID to suit your gaming needs via Logitech G-Hub. With mind-boggling features like magnetic analog switches, multi-point action, full key control, custom actuation points, software-free customization, and more, the PRO X TKL RAPID is the gaming keyboard that will take your gaming experience to greater heights. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.